Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to switch your Instagram account to a professional account. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and then tap on your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll down and look for the option Account Type and Tool and then tap on it to move forward to the next step. Here you will see the option Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it to switch your account type. Now perform all these steps and your account will be switched to the professional account. Now you can select which category you fit in to proceed with the professional account. You can perform all these steps according to your preferences and the account will be switched easily. Now press Next to perform the final step. As you can see, your account is now switched to the professional account. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.